Introducing Kai by Prospecta, AI that's revolutionizing data management with intelligent, seamless solutions. Need assistance? Or to tackle complex data challenges and add value to your business effortlessly? Kai instantly answers questions right in the flow of your work. To get faster, smarter business insights with Kai, simply click the icon to ask your questions. Let's say you're a data steward, and you need to understand how to build a data quality rule. Hey Kai, what's a user-defined rule? Or you're the business process owner, and you want to query the current quality of your data. Let's say a maintenance engineer wants to know the status of material master data requests. Kai, show me the status of my material requests. Kai seamlessly integrates with MDO, delivering trusted responses, faster insights, and smarter decisions. Elevate your master data management with Kai. Smart, reliable, and always ready. Book a demo today.